Now an Education Matters Minute.
Now that summer is here, you may be thinking about ways that you can encourage your children to keep learning. Today, my daughter Annabelle and I are going to show you how baking can be a fun way to learn together as a family. Baking is essentially mathematics and chemistry, and even the simplest recipes like chocolate chip cookies can integrate principles of measurement, fractions, and proportions. While we bake, all the ingredients work together in a recipe like a scientific formula. When you change an ingredient, the product can change. For instance, melting the butter instead of letting it soften at room temperature can cause the cookie to become flat and crispy instead of light and fluffy. For this reason, we follow the recipe as closely as we can. Baking can be a fun way for families to engage in learning in a hands-on way. The possibilities are truly endless. For Education Matters Minute, I'm Alyssa Fite, Family Consumer Science teacher at Central High School.
Education Matters is a partnership with the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools. Watch these stories Mondays at 6:30 on KC24.